For thousands of years, we've lived under the gentle glow of the moon. It has guided sailors across oceans, inspired poetry, balanced Earth's tilt. And yet, we rarely stop to ask, what if it wasn't the moon? What if something else loomed over us at night? Something massive, majestic, and terrifying. What if it was Saturn? Let's start with the visuals. Imagine standing outside on a quiet night. You look up, and instead of the moon, the sky is filled with an enormous gas giant. Saturn. It would span nearly a third of the sky, 34 times the size of the moon. Its rings, glowing softly in golden light, would stretch across the sky from horizon to horizon. At night, they'd cast shadows on your walls. During the day, they might be visible as faint curves even in sunlight. It wouldn't just be beautiful. It would be surreal, like living inside a planetarium, except it's real. But behind that beauty lies unimaginable force. Saturn is 95 times more massive than the moon. Placing it in the moon's orbit changes everything. Earth's tides, once gentle, become devastating. Coastal cities? Submerged twice a day. Rivers? Reversed. Ocean currents? Chaotic. The increased gravitational tug would also stress Earth's crust, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Our planet would creak under pressure. This isn't just about the sky. This is about Earth's bones. We've just invited a monster into orbit. Saturn's rings reflect sunlight, a lot of it. Even at night, Saturn would light up the land below. Full moonlight is gentle. Saturn light would be eerie, bright enough to cast sharp shadows, disrupt nocturnal ecosystems, and affect sleep cycles. Sleep disorders might increase. Animals that rely on darkness would be disoriented. We evolved under a moonlit world. Change that rhythm, and you change us. The moon doesn't just light the sky. It stabilizes Earth's axial tilt. Without it, Earth would wobble, randomly and violently over thousands of years. Saturn's presence doesn't help stabilize, it disrupts. This means chaotic climate shifts. Ice ages that come and go unpredictably. Equators that freeze. Polar regions that burn. Human civilization might never have formed in such chaos. Without stability, there is no agriculture. Without agriculture, there is no civilization. Cultural identity, mythologies, and even religions have revolved around the moon. Saturn in the sky would rewrite all of that. New symbols, new gods, a new sense of fear, awe, and cosmic smallness. Children growing up under Saturn wouldn't think it odd, but their dreams, stories, and fears would be different. More alien, less gentle. The moon has always been our quiet companion. Saturn is not quiet. It demands attention. It dominates. Here's the truth. Saturn can't exist in the moon's orbit. It would be torn apart by Earth's gravity. Earth too would be pulled slightly toward Saturn. Their mutual gravity could send both worlds into spirals, or even crash. Physics forbids it. Nature rejects it. But imagining it teaches us what we take for granted. To dream of Saturn is to understand the moon. And to understand the moon is to understand ourselves. We end where we began, a quiet night. The moon rises. Simple, pale, familiar. Behind it, the vastness of space. The moon is not just a rock. It's a stabilizer, a timekeeper, a protector. Replacing it with Saturn gives us spectacle, but it takes away the quiet clockwork that lets Earth thrive. Sometimes the most powerful force in the universe is the one we never notice.